Welcome back, everyone. We are at Hearth of the Home. It is Thursday, May the 8th. The team have been making a bunch of progress inside this project, getting the inside wrapped up and ready to go. They've also been hard at work getting the front door dealt with and the post and the stairs and the soffit and all that sort of stuff. So let's stop talking about what's been going on and let's go check it out. All right, we are now inside Hearth of the Home and, well, let's have a look and see what's going on. So we have counters. They were in last week, but now we can see them a little bit more uncovered. We have door hardware on, some very sexy, dainty handles, very fun to use. The electrical contractor, Cove Electric, has been on site getting electrical finishing done. So we've got a really cool ceiling fan in the living room. Love that. And I thought I would drag the camera over here and show you why this project is called Hearth of the Home. This is going to be the mantle, and this piece of wood has been with this family, I believe, for decades. And so it is a very meaningful piece of wood for them. And so our carpenters are going to cut it up and make it look amazing, and it's going to get installed over there above the fireplace. But it's really, it's a cool wood burning fireplace. Very, very specialized, very, very cool. Very different. We'll do another video about that another day. But awesome fireplace. It's all covered up and I don't want to cover it. So anyways, we have had flooring guys here. They're getting all of that stuff done. You can see that we've got cover plates going on, the switches and whatnot. We are in the process of getting these barn doors installed. So we've got the rails above me here. That's ready to go. And just waiting to work with carpenters, client, to get these dialed in so that they look exactly as the client wants. We were painted last week, still painted this week, adding a few more details here to clean things up and make everything look just lickety split. But we're going to be having our walkthrough actually next Tuesday or Wednesday or something like that. And so that'll be our internal walkthrough. And during that walkthrough, myself and one of our designers and one of our project managers will go through the inside and the outside of this home and detail out all of the deficiencies that we can find. We always leave a week to a week and a half buffer at the end of our project plans so that we can bring our trades through and fix all those deficiencies before our clients retake the space. Listen, if you are building a home or renovating it, give your contractor the time they ask for. Don't move in too early. I am telling you, your contractor and your trades will bust their humps to do as much as they can before you move in. But the second you move in, right, wrong, or indifferent, everything comes to a crashing halt and things move extremely slowly after that. Trades don't want to be moving your stuff around. Trades don't want to be underfoot. They don't want to be disrupting your lives any more than you want them disrupting yours. So listen, trust me, give your contractor the right amount of time to get the job done. And we feel like a week and a half at the end of the job is all we need. We're going to have our cleaning professionals come in here on Monday or Tuesday next week. This house is going to be all immaculatized so we can see any of the deficiencies in the floors and the walls and the trim, everything. Week and a half, trades come through, fix all of the issues that we find. And then we have the client reveal, week and a half, 2 weeks, I think, I can't remember, after that. And hopefully they don't find any deficiencies because we will have already found them and addressed them. That's the Sprucehill way. One of the things that we try to do is really make our projects look like they were always done, and we always try to do a good job when we do it. And so here, what we've got is we've got a mitered corner on some cedar. And so these are just test fit, come on, test fit pieces. So that is what it looks like. Now, pro tip, if you're thinking about doing this, when you're ripping this on your table saw is gonna typically go to 45 degrees. Crank it over to 46 or 47 degrees. You're gonna have to move a stop in your saw to make that happen. But if you try to do a 45 degree rip on your material and then put it back together again, it turns out it doesn't usually go square because the material is never perfect. And you can even see with this material that it's slightly cupped. So, and when we talk about cup, the wood Just doing that. All right, cool, awesome. So we want to over bevel that because we don't care what's going on the inside here because it's hidden, it's at the back of the column. What we care about is what's going on here, and we want, when this touches here, to have a nice clean seal like this, and that's what we're going for with a good ripped bevel like that, right? So the team is working on that. They have got this all going together like ninjas up here. So this is gonna be sick. Like the details, just amazing, so good. Well, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you checking out our content. Listen, if you were thinking about a main floor renovation or a kitchen renovation or any sort of renovation, reach out and talk to us on our website or phone us. We'd love to talk to you. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and stay awesome.